Today I am testing the Naked Skin Foundation from Urban Decay. Urban Decay is known for rebelling against traditional packaging in the beauty and cosmetic industry. They are also known for their cult eyeshadow palette, the Nakeds collection. But will this foundation be a cult favorite? Let's find out. It's the end of the day, and on the Kathleen Color Scale, I give this foundation a 3.5. The things I like about this foundation are that it has a matte finish, it's buildable, it's medium coverage, and it's vegan. The things I don't like about this foundation are that it's drying, it settles into texture, and it ends up patchy and chalky on your skin. If you have mature skin, I don't recommend this foundation. The skin type I recommend for this foundation is oily, normal, and combination. If you are dry, I don't recommend this foundation. Thanks for watching. You can follow me on Instagram at Kathleen Color. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Remember, life is better in color.